I'm Chaya Rivka Zwolinski, and this is bribreslov.org. I'd like to talk briefly about how to get the most from Rebbe Nachman's teachings if you're beginning to learn his lessons. Rebbe Nachman himself gives us some easy instructions to follow. Well, they seem easy, but of course the Yetzer Hara gets in the way. The instructions are to read through his lessons in their entirety quickly, and then to go back and learn it in depth. We should also, he says, pray about what we're learning. Ask Hashem to help us assimilate these teachings and make them real for us so we really live them. Rebbe Nachman wrote a collection of prayers based on Rebbe Nachman's teachings. In English, they're called the 50th Gate. In Hebrew, it's Likutei Tefillot. And this collection of prayers, most of them correspond to lessons in Likutei Moharan, Rebbe Nachman's magnum opus. So if you're learning a particular lesson, you can look up the corresponding prayer and say that prayer out loud and use it to make the lesson your own. Another tip, when you're reading the lessons, don't look for what other people are doing in relation to the lesson. Don't look at the lesson and say, oh, this speaks of jealousy. Oh, I know someone who's really jealous. Or this lesson speaks of the need for humility. Oh, I know someone else who really needs to humble themselves. That's not the point of the lessons. The point of the lessons is to find yourself in them. Use them as a mirror so that you are able to work on yourself. It's tempting to agree with some of the points in the lessons and project all these ideas outwards. But if you want to change and if you want to grow, you're going to take them to heart. May you have a day where you stay inspired.